Alright guys, so today we're going to check out what ESR has to offer for AirPods 4 cases. So let's get right into it guys. So let's head on over to Amazon real quick and go to ESR on Amazon and let's search for the AirPods 4. Oh, it's right here. Nice. So here you can see they have the ESR Cyber FlickLock case. That's kind of new. Oh, that's actually coming soon. So I would have to check that out whenever it comes out. And that kind of looks like it's a mixture of two cases. I want to say it looks like the Cyber Armor case mixed with the ESR Pulse case. It kind of looked like a mixture of both. I'll show you guys later on. But there you have it. That's the first case that they're offering, which is coming soon. And then you have the ESR Pulse FlickLock case. Trust me, this case is probably the best case I ever tested on this channel. Like, I believe this case right here should just set the standard for cases. Like, it is so good. Like, I don't have any issues with this. Like, it lock your case, lock everything in place. You drop it, you don't have to worry about anything falling out of your case or any scratches or anything like that. So right here, I think it's the best for your money. I'll definitely go with this one. I'm gonna get this one whenever it comes out also to test out on this channel. And after that, we have the ESR Orbit Hybrid case. So now here, this is more if you want to have some stylish look with also a little bit of protection. So here you can see you have it in a bunch of different colors. You have like purple, pink, blue, gray, black. I don't know what color is that. Is that like a graphite or something? And yeah, so if you want like more style colors, I would definitely go with this one. I'll be getting this one to test out on this channel to see how it fits and how it protects the AirPods 4. And then here you have this is probably the second best case I ever tested for the AirPods. So this right here is a Cyber Tough case. So this is what I was talking about. So I believe this case right here, the Cyber FlickLock case, is a mixture between the Cyber Tough case and the ESR Pulse case. So as you can see, the sides are kind of from the Cyber case while the front is kind of from the Pulse case. You get what I'm saying? But I'll be getting one of these to also test out. I'll be doing some drop tests with all these cases. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for those videos whenever I get this case in my hands. And finally, it looks like they're offering the ESR Cloud Soft case, which is more of a minimal case, which comes in a bunch of different colors. I'll probably say that this case right here will give you the least protection out of all these cases based off my experience. But definitely, I can't wait to test these two cases that are coming out soon, especially the ESR Cyber FlickLock case. I believe that's a new design case. Like, I'm so excited to test it out and see if it's actually good. But yeah, let me just try to add these to my cart so I can get them. So this one is not available yet, so I'll have to come back and get it whenever it's available. And this one is not available as yet either, so I'll have to come back for that one. But this one is available, and I think I want to get it in the blue. I don't know, but I'm kind of feeling the blue. Oh, they don't have the blue for the AirPods case? Oh, they only have in black? They only have a black version for the AirPods 4 case for now. So I'll just go with the black one for now. I'm pretty sure they're going to add some more cases in the future. What else? So that one is good. So let's move on to the next one. And I'll probably go with black with this one also for the AirPods 4 case. Let's add that to the cart. And then for this one, I want to go with the blue. I really want a blue case. So yeah, let's go with the blue case, add that to my cart. And let's go to cart and see what we have in our cart so far. So I did a video talking about these Spigen cases. You guys can go ahead and check that out. I just did that video. It should be up on the channel. But as you can see, just comparing price right here, these cases from ESR are way cheaper than the cases from Spigen. And trust me, these cases from ESR are really good, especially this one right here, which is, I believe, the Cyber Armor. They call it the Cyber Armor case right here. I believe this one is really good. I remember testing this. I believe this was my first case I tested on this channel, and it was really good. Like up until this day, it's one of my best cases that I've tested for the AirPods. So So if you're looking for like a cheaper alternative, I'll definitely go with ESR cases over the Spigen cases, but I'll be testing all of them either way so you guys can know exactly which one is the right one for you. And as I said, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on those videos, and please subscribe because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. Also, let me know in the comment section which one of these ESR case would you go with personally for your AirPods 4. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.